Hello, welcome back to this channel. In this lesson, we're going to talk about custom table styles. Now, perhaps none of the huge selection of styles in the table styles gallery is suitable for your requirements. For example, you might want to create documents that are based on your organizational theme. Now, in this case, you can create a custom table style from scratch. Another great feature of a custom table style is that you can set it as the default for this workbook. This saves you from continually reapplying a style every time you create a table. Now let's open a file called inventory 7 from the session 1 sample files folder. I already have it open. Please remember to enable editing. Now you will notice that this file has got totals at the bottom. Remember, this is not a table, so it has got a total at the bottom. And now, since we want to convert it to a table, we may want to remove row number 71 because tables have got their inbuilt totals feature. So please select row 71 and then delete it. Okay. Now let's convert the table into, the range into a table. To do that, you might want to clear the formats in row number 1. So select row number 1, home, editing, clear formats. Now click inside the range and then convert it into a table by using the shortcut Ctrl T. Remember, in previous lessons we have been using insert table. Now we are using a shortcut. Click inside the data and press Ctrl T. Okay, the create table dialog appears. My table has headers is selected. Cool. Now click OK. Okay, I have just converted my table, my data into a table. However, it has no colors. Yours might have colors. In the previous lesson, I set my default table style to none. See, the none style, that one there. That one there. That's the reason why my table has no colors. But it's a table. When I click inside, I can see the table design at the top. Now, if you click inside the table and then locate the design tab at the top, the table design, you will notice that the total row is not selected. Okay? Now, if you want to create a total at the bottom, like we learned previously, select the total row and you will have a total row at the bottom. Okay, now let's create a custom table style based upon an existing style. To do that, we shall click inside the table and then locate your design tab at the top. Mine is called table design. And then under table styles, select the more button right there. Okay. Of course, that will trigger the table styles gallery. This one here, this is the table styles gallery. Now right click one of the existing styles and then click duplicate from the shortcut menu. This will trigger the modify table style dialog to be displayed. So I will select, let me see, my favorite style. I like the medium styles. So I will right click the table style medium 3 and then select duplicate. Okay, this is the modify table style. Now I will name my new table style TSM. Okay. Now each of the table's elements are listed on the left of the dialog. The table elements on the left of the dialog, you can see the whole table, first column stripe, and so on and so forth. So each element that has been formatted in the style you chose to duplicate is shown in bold face type. Okay, the bold. Now choose a table element and then click the format button to set the font, border, and fill formatting. Select one of the elements and then select format. Okay. Now to follow best practice, you should restrict your color and font choices to theme colors and theme fonts. Now let me elaborate more on that. Now, why do you think it is a good idea to restrict custom style colors to theme fonts, or to theme colors? Now, if you restrict your color choice to theme colors, your worksheet design will be compatible with documents that use other themes. If you use non-theme colors, your worksheets will not seamlessly integrate. Now, this is from a design point of view. So, your worksheets will not seamlessly integrate with PowerPoint presentations, with Word documents, and other Office documents that use a different theme. For example, if you create a worksheet using the default Office theme, now, Mary, your colleague, wants to use this in her PowerPoint presentation that uses the Berlin theme. You will email the worksheet to her, and then she simply pastes the required cells into her presentation and changes the theme to Berlin. Now, if another colleague called David sees the presentation and wants to use the same worksheet in his Word report that uses the circuit theme, Mary will email the presentation to him, and then he simply pastes the required slides into his Word document and changes the theme to circuit. The same worksheet has been used without modification, and it blends perfectly into both Mary and David's work because you followed best practice and restricted your color choices to theme colors. Okay? Okay, I hope that sheds some light. In case you're not sure, please you can call me, or you can email me, or you can raise me. Okay. Now, let's customize as many other elements as we wish. Of course, you can do that, assuming you wanted to change the color. You can change it to any color you want. You can select as many elements as you wish and format them the way you wish, probably to follow your organizational theme colors. When you're done, click the OK button. Now let's apply your new custom style to the table. Now click on any cell inside the table. Click on any cell inside the table. Okay. Click Table Tools if you have an older version of Excel, Design, Table Styles, and more. For me, I do not. I'm using the new version, so I'll select Table Design, Table Styles, More. Okay, you'll notice the new custom section at the top, right here, at the top of the gallery containing your new style. Hover the mouse cursor over your new style. The style name appears in a tip. See, TSM. Now click the style to apply it to the worksheet. Now change the style back to none. I will drop down and select the style back to none. That's enough for today. In the next lesson, we shall learn about sorting by rows. It has been a pleasure having you today. Thank you for your time. God bless you.